I have a sneaking suspicion that we're going to be up late tonight, or I am anyways, because Cassandra's going home. Because it's 12:26.
We just woke up.
We're on our way right now to O'Reilly's to get the brake rotors resurfaced for the front. Pick up a few gear pullers and things of that nature so we can actually do stuff. And then we will get back to work. First though, Starbucks.
I'm holding on for you to come around. I've waited for so long, I've run aground.
The rotors are too thin to be resurfaced.
Which means
Probably buying rotors here pretty soon.
Everyone's alive, and I am dying. Oh, 'cause you are all I need.
So we're having a hell of a time getting that lower ball joint out. Probably gonna make a separate video on how we're gonna go about removing it. I searched on YouTube and I couldn't really find anything that would give us any help on a DIY removal tool without using heat. I don't really want to use heat because you'll ruin your something. You'll ruin something in there. I just read it online. So we're gonna head to, what's this place called? Tractor Supply. Get a piece of angle iron or flat bar and a few nuts and bolts, and just make it work. We'll show you how we eventually get it out, because it's got to come out. I've beat on it with a hammer. It's definitely got to come out.
Holding out for dear life, oh, without the pain and all the strife, oh, I know that you can make.
Jeez, jump with a giant cock. A lot of money to pull a gear, or to pull a, what's that thing called? Ball joint. It's a lot of money.
if it works.
$24. Who didn't say that?
Hit my head.
That didn't work. So, I'm gonna have to try to fabricate some kind of puller. This is gonna take all day. Just to get one, and there's still the other side. Oh boy. Back to the drawing board. Alright, so after many swear words, I think we might be coming out. I also pulled my drive axle out of the whatever the hell it goes into. So if you're doing this, just be wary of that. Ever have to do this job, just throw your car away. Just throw your car away and go buy a new one. Alright guys, hopefully that quick video was helpful to you. I wish you the best of luck on pulling that lower ball joint. That was a complete nightmare. I hope to never do it again. If this video helped you, please leave a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends so everyone can see it, because I literally searched online for how other people do it, and I couldn't find anything. Not without specialized tool or actually pulling the drive axle from the hub, from the knuckle. I didn't want to do that, which I think probably slowed things down, but I had already taken everything apart and there's no way to get that axle nut off. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, because we're doing a full suspension rebuild on our X5.